Hello, I'm Rayner. I'm involved with a seagrass restoration project in Chichester Harbour that I'd like to tell you about. We need volunteers to come and collect seagrass from the strand line. If you look down here, at this time of year, the storms wash up the seagrass onto the shore, and we need it collected because there are seeds on this seagrass that we want to collect and plant out in the harbour. The reason we need to do that is seagrass is nationally scarce. In the harbour we've got small pockets of it, and it's fantastic habitat for, as a fish nursery, sea bass rely on it, waders eat the invertebrates within it, brink geese eat the seagrass itself. It's a really important habitat, and we want to encourage more of it. So we need volunteers to collect seagrass from the strand line, put it in seagrass bins. There's one at Emsworth Sailing Club and another one at Chichester Harbour Conservancy in Itchenor. And then we will gather that, take the seeds from it, plant them in the mud, and have more seagrass.